Today on Hot Dog, Not Hot Dog, I want to talk about just a quick overview on what AI is and make a little bit of sense without any boring explanations. And, maybe it'll make some jokes along the way. So, welcome to Hot Dog, Not Hot Dog. Not all AI is the same. And if you don't know the difference, you'll get scammed into paying for something that's just basic automation. So, here's the breakdown. We have standalone AI tools. These are your Chat GPTs, Claude, Midjourney, Perplexity, and now DeepSeek, China's new AI model that's trying to compete with OpenAI and Anthropic. When you go to their website, you type in a request and boom, output. Something sometimes genius, sometimes absolute nonsense. Next, you have AI enhanced software. That's AI built into something you already use. So think about Google Docs, writing your emails, Google Slides, when you generate images, or LinkedIn's AI summaries that are just slightly better than what an intern would write. It's helpful, it's not groundbreaking. And then you have custom AI solutions. This AI is actually doing something useful. Think Johns Hopkins AI detecting sepsis. If you think about AI analyzing 200 plus clients for a sales team to predict who actually needs attention, that's AI that's changing industries, not just writing blog posts. So if it's not learning, adapting, or solving a real problem, it's just automation with a rebrand. AI isn't magic. It's like a junior employee who will follow instructions to the letter. If you're vague, you'll get vague results. For example, if you ask ChatGPT, help me negotiate a raise, and it gives you some generic corporate fluff like express gratitude before stating your case, boring, unhelpful, we're better than this. Instead, you could say, I got a 10% raise last year. I'm the highest performer on my team, and the industry average is 12%. I want to ask for 15%. Help me craft a persuasive argument with data. Now you're giving AI something to work with. Context is everything. If AI is giving you bland, robotic responses, it's because you didn't show it what it needs to look like. AI learns through patterns, so you have to give it examples. There's zero-shot prompting when you ask AI for something without examples. It's a wild card, sometimes great and sometimes not so great. Then there's one-shot prompting, where you give it one example and AI starts to get the vibe. And then there's few-shot prompting, where you give it two or more examples. And now AI is like, oh, I get it. So for example, if I said, rewrite my email to sound more professional, AI will give you something robotic, hard pass. If you say, rewrite my email to match the style, like, hey team, quick heads up, the deadline for Q1 report is Friday. Let me know if you need anything. Keep it casual and clear. AI gets it. So the best practice is the more examples you give, the better AI gets. If you tell AI, write me a cover letter and expect it to nail it in one shot, congratulations, you've just given AI a test with no study guide. Instead, break it down step by step. First, write me an attention-grabbing opening paragraph. Then expand it into strong body section with metrics. And then give me a polished closing that reinforces my value. This method, called chain of thought prompting, forces AI to think in steps, which means more accuracy and less hallucination. AI makes mistakes, but the way it does it, scary confident. AI's biggest problems are first bias. I know you've heard this a lot, but if you ask it for an image of a CEO, 9 times out of 10, it's a white dude in a suit. It also has knowledge gaps. AI has a cutoff date. So if it wasn't trained on recent data, it'll make things up. And also it has hallucinations. And AI will lie to you like it's trying to win an argument on the internet. So the rule of thumb is, if you're using AI for serious decisions, health, legal, finances, fact check everything. AI isn't going to save you. Strategy will. If you want real AI strategies that actually help your career, subscribe to my newsletter and get my best AI prompts, hiring insights, and planning frameworks. Zero fluff, all action. I'll put the link below.